How to create a perfect resume and get more interview calls. Hey guys, I'm Kennet Alphy, founder of Brandocx. We help job seekers and senior managers to get their dream job and create a sustainable career. Today, we're going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is how to get more interview calls by customizing your resume. After working with thousands of employees for the past 2.5 years, I've literally found the way how to impress the recruiter, how to position yourself well in the resume, how to market yourself well, and how to get more interview calls. Today, I'm going to share all those secrets with you, what are all the steps that you need to take, how to craft your resume, and much more. So keep watching this video till the end. And end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus, which will be amazing, which will be useful for your job search. So how to create a perfect resume? Let's see what I have for you today. First, let's see what's the purpose of a resume. The purpose of a resume is nothing but to impress the recruiter and make them give you a call. Simple as that. If you have this as a focus and create a resume, then you will be creating a proper resume. Let's move to the sections of the resume. We have 6 things to discuss today. That is, number 1, name and contact. It might sound very simple, but something which is necessary. Okay. First thing, you need to put it in this format: first name and second name. Make it very simple, neat, put it on top of your resume, because whenever a recruiter is looking at a document, the first eyesight will be going to your name. That's the identity of yours. So you should be having it in a proper, well-written manner. Second thing, you need to have a professional email ID. What is a professional email ID? You need to put your name at gmail.com. For example, Kennet at gmail.com. Okay, that is simple, neat, and easy for them to remember your email ID. Whenever they want to send you an email or some updates to you, it will be very easy for them to go search for your name and find your email ID in their mailbox, and then they will send you the details that they need to send. Third thing, give the direct phone number. Don't give any landline number or something like that. Give the direct phone number. Make it easy for them to contact you. And the second thing is profile snapshot. In the profile snapshot, you need to talk about 3 things. That is, who you are, what you can do, or what skills you have, what is the result that you can get them, or something that you've got in your recent past. If you are very specific with these details, a recruiter will be searching for these details in any candidate. Okay, if you give these details to them immediately at the first place, they will easily understand who you are, what you can provide them, and what is the result that they can get out of you. They will like your profile. They will be more clear about what is this person is offering me. They will read through your profile. So this is basically hooking the person at the first place and making them go through the profile immediately. Third thing is your notable achievements. Notable achievements are nothing but something which makes you stand out. Let's say there are 2 different software engineers. You know what a software engineer does. Okay. So both the job description, both the people will be going through the same kind of activity, but the learning curve that they went through, the projects that they have gone through will be completely different. So that is what going to make you different. So what is that you have experimented? What is that you've learned? What is the result that you've got is what going to make you different. So put that as a notable achievement, and you can actually put that below your profile snapshot, which gets you more attention, which makes the person read through at the first place. You can tell how many years of experience you have, the number of clients you worked with, the number of projects that you have done, and what is the result that you've got inside that, and the revenue generated, if at all you are into sales and marketing and business growth kind of stuff. Talk about the revenue that you generated and what is the result that the company got, how the business grown into the next level and all those things. And also tell about the metrics of business growth. Let's say you are not directly working in the revenue things and you are working something into the technical part, like software development or something like that. Anyway, any day, anytime, any business will be looking out for these 3 things. That is, they want to increase the revenue, they want to reduce the cost, or they want to streamline the process and improve the business. So you need to think of these metrics and see how you helped the business in what area. And the fourth one is your work experiences. How you can write a proper work experience, what all things that we need to include is It comprises of two things. First of all, employer love to see the career progression of yours. Try to come up with a career timeline. Try to come up with a chart like visual image. People like visuals. People are attracted to visuals. People understand visuals better. If at all you're going to apply for Indian markets, UAE markets, and Singapore markets, a visual resume actually works. If at all you're going to apply for US, UK, and Canada, and Europe, a textual resume works. So according to the country, according to the job, according to the company that you're going to apply for, you can customize the resume. So work on your career timeline, show it in a separate place. You can give the data about which company you work, how many years you worked, and all those things, which will make the employer understand you better. Second thing, put it in a reverse chronological order. Don't start with the first job that you did. Start with the current job that you're doing and then go in the reverse order. Third thing, you need to come up with 5 to 6 specific bullet points with proper keywords and metrics that you have achieved. Okay. Because, people will not go and read each and every word in your resume. And most importantly, in your work experience, they don't read through it. Okay. But how they go through it is basically they just glance through your profile. They need to find the right keywords, whether that person have done this or not. And they want to see what are all the things that he have achieved. So add few numbers, add few metrics, 5 bullet points, more specific keywords, more specific metrics, which will make you look better. Fifth one, your projects and volunteering activities. A lot of people give all the projects that they have done, all the volunteering activities that they have done. But what I would say is instead of junking up a lot of information which is very irrelevant to the job that you're applying for, just add only the project which is currently relatable to the jobs that you're going to apply for. And the last one is your educational details. You can give the educational details in this format. That is, first give your degree, what are all the degrees that you have done, then the college that you have studied, and finally the year of completion or year of pursuing and all those things. If you are a fresher, you can mention the marks that you have scored and the percentage that you have got and all those things. If at all you're a very senior manager, do not give those details, which is not very necessary. So if you work on these areas like the name and contact number, neatly presented with proper email ID and number. Second, profile snapshot with giving the specific data of who you are, what you can do, and what is the result that you can drive. Third, with the notable achievements, with the specific metric that you have achieved from your personal learning, from your personal projects that you have done, give those data. Fourth, you need to give a proper work experience detail with proper keywords and content and with the right metric with 5 to 6 bullet points. Then you need to give the specific projects that you have done, which is related to the jobs that you're going to apply for. And finally, the educational details. If you have these in mind and if you work on your resume, then your profile will be very neat, good, and focus on the job that you're going to look out for. Then you're going to get the right things happening. That is getting more interview calls. And the last most important thing is I understand a lot of people are busy. They don't have the time to sit and do the research and the development of the resume. If you have the feeling of, hey, Kenny, I couldn't sit and work on my resume, I need some expert help and all those things, then yes, I can for sure help you out with that. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you out with creating a proper resume, proper LinkedIn, and I'm also going to take you through a coaching where I will be guiding you on how to use LinkedIn properly, how to get a job through LinkedIn with proper networking. Okay. If you want to get in touch with me and if you want to discuss that with me, you can contact me through this number, that is 6369505207. You can call me or WhatsApp me, and I have something for you. That is an offer, which is a 10% offer, which you can avail. You can text me with this code through WhatsApp, and then immediately I will be guiding you to move forward with the next steps. Okay, cool. So now that we have discussed about all the things that you need to do to craft a proper resume, start working on it, do the research, work on these areas, craft a proper resume, start applying for jobs, and get placed in your dream job. Happy job search.